Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack, and today I'll be showing you how to hide who you follow on Instagram. So, to do this process, you cannot directly hide who you follow on Instagram. There is no direct feature on the Instagram that lets you hide the followers. But the thing is, in order for you to do this, you have to make your account private. So, guys, in order for you to make your account private, from here, go ahead and go to your Instagram application. So, when you make your account private, it will restrict your following and follower list. So, only approved followers can see your followers, or you can just simply block specific users to prevent them from seeing your list. Now, here to make your account private, go ahead and go to the profile icon first at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, you will have the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that, and it will redirect you to the settings and activity. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to see here who can see your content. So over here, you could just simply go for the first one, which is account privacy. So go ahead and tap on account privacy. As you can see, my account is currently public. So when I make my account private, from here, my profile and posts cannot be seen by anyone, so only approved users can see my post, and you will have other information over here that what will happen if you switch your account to private. So from here, you can just simply tap on switch to private. So guys, remember that there is no direct settings to hide your following list from all current followers, but you can remove unwanted ones after going private or blocking individuals if you want them to be excluded. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.